Hey Pops, what you doing today?
I'm gonna go to the studio and do a ring pour. Want to see?
Sure. Ooh, I see you have some colors right there.
I have red, purple, and pink macaroon.
Good.
Hey guys, like I said earlier, I'm coming down to the studio to do a ring pour, and guess what? I am. So, we didn't have any Floetrol, so we made a new pouring medium with this. This at the bottom. It's 60% clear glue, which is 6 ounces, 40% of water, which is 4 ounces, and in total we made 10 ounces of pouring medium. So you pour half paint and half pouring medium into a cup, and then you mix them together, and that's your paint. And so first we're going to have the white background to make the paint flow easier. I'm going to pour it on the canvas. I'm going to pour it around. Now I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to spread it around on the canvas. You can make sure it's thick enough for the paint to flow and make sure the whole canvas is covered. Gotta get the paint everywhere. There's a lot of paint on this, and that's good because you need a lot of paint to do this. Now we're going to take this cup and we're going to pour purple, pink, and then red into this cup. First of all, you need the cup, and we're going to take the popsicle sticks out that we used to mix, and I'm going to pour some of it into this cup, this empty cup, and this purple is going in first. Okay, there's some purple. Now we're going to do pink. Okay. And now we're going to do some red. Gotta get the popsicle stick out. Guess what color goes next? Purple. We're just going to go in order. You want to fill this cup up to the top. You might not use all your paint, but that's okay. One more little drop. Okay. Now, this we're going to do like a ring shape on the canvas. Here we go. There. Oops, dripping. Don't let it drip. Now we're just going to tilt the canvas a little bit and cover the whole thing. Dripping a lot. That's okay. Drip, 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 drip. A little bit more on this corner. Okay. This is what it's looking like so far. That looks pretty good. Here it is. Look at all these little cells everywhere. Okay, I hope you love this too. Tell me in the comments if you like it. But before you go, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. See you soon. Bye!